Afternoon, people. My name is Retshepile. I am the yes, please. I'm a project lead of Bitcoin Sisonke. Bitcoin Sisonke means we are together. So Bitcoin Sisonke is a grassroots Bitcoin circular economy whereby we are focusing more on earning Bitcoin for our members and also for the merchants that we already onboarded. So in Bitcoin Sisonke, we primarily focuses on education, Bitcoin meetups, and also showing people Bitcoin movies whereby we are demonstrating the Bitcoin usage all over the world. So as Bitcoin Sisonke, we target mostly youth because in South Africa, we have this issue of job scarcity. So with Bitcoin Sisonke, we bring also skills development whereby we teach the youth how to onboard the merchants. Not only we teach youth how to onboard the merchants, we also teach the youth how to self-custody your Bitcoin. So in Bitcoin, we believe, Sisonke, we are social entrepreneurs because we are bringing new product into the market. And not only we bring new, we are also innovators. So in my project, we have about four merchants. We already onboarded one already who printed my shop. This shirt was paid with BTC, guys. Yeah. Yes. Also, we also try to diversify our merchants, whereby not only we have different kind of merchants, we have merchants that sell fruits and veggies, we have merchants that sells popcorns, we have merchants that sells our most popular food in South Africa, which are called kotas. So in Bitcoin, so we try to onboard as much merchants as possible, and also to add, the person who printed this shirt has an internet cafe. Yeah, so in Bitcoin Sisonke, we try to teach people about Bitcoin. We do Treasure Academy classes. We also do Mi-Prima classes, but even though they take quite long, but we try to maintain it. So thank you.